Welcome! In front of me I have OPPO Watch X2 Mini and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it of course to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu and look for the option called display and brightness. And once you find it, tap on it. Here find the option called auto screen off, and once you find it, tap on it. And right here we have the list of durations. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 seconds, and it goes up to 60. But after 10 seconds it goes between it changes the interval. It's basically every 10 seconds. So we have 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. So select the one you like. For example, let's set it to 20 seconds, then tap on the check mark. It will tell you that auto screen off set to 20 seconds will use a lot more battery basically. I'm gonna tap on got it, and then we can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And now my screen should turn off after 20 seconds of inactivity. So if I won't touch the touch screen or the buttons on my watch for 20 seconds, the screen will turn off to save power. And it should be like in a couple more seconds, I believe maybe 5 to 10 seconds more, and it should turn off. I would say right about now, yeah. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.